ain't got too much time to spare, but I'm in time for you to show how much I care.